Hi, my name is Luke, and this is How to Combine XLS Docs. An XLS Docs is an Excel document. The newest version is known as XLXS. XLX or XLXS, you can open them in Microsoft Excel. They have different sheets available. As you can see here, I have two different XLXS docs. Double-click, see that there's three